What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is both a third and fourth stimulus check update. The very first article is Fox News. You know it's credible, you know it's legitimate. Topic of the article is stimulus check update. Many economists say more stimulus payments are definitely possible. That's the very first article, but the second article, as you see here, says the exact same thing. As you guys see right here, we have a second article, a second news source saying the exact same thing. Fourth stimulus check, more direct stimulus payments are certainly possible this year, many economists are saying. And basically, if you guys don't know, over a week ago I actually made a video talking about a potential fourth stimulus check being negotiated in the Senate and the House, guys. Both the Democrats and the Republicans are actually meeting, via Zoom, via, phone calls, not in person, granted, but, online using, text messages, phone calls, Zoom calls, guys. And according to my source, guys, I actually know someone who's been working inside the Senate for well over 5 years. And so far, every single rumor or leak or whatever you want to call it, any kind of tip that my source gave me, all 25 of them have all actually ended up coming true. And according to my source, over a week ago, I made a video talking about a potential fourth stimulus check being negotiated in both the Senate and the House by, Democrats and Republicans. I said it might not happen, but negotiations did start. And a lot of people gave me crap for it, guys. A lot of people on social media and on YouTube said absolutely not. A lot of people disliked the video. A lot of people said I'm lying. Well, bam, guys, literally less than a week later, stimulus check update. Economists say more stimulus payments are possible. Fox News, you know it's credible, along with right here, stimulus check, more direct stimulus payments are certainly possible according to economics, guys. And if you look right here, guys, Peter Earl, economist at American Institute of Economic Research, told CNBC. So far we have CNBC and we have Fox News, guys, right here. More direct stimulus payments cannot be ruled out, even as a distribution of the third stimulus check is not yet complete. What did I say in my last video? If you actually didn't watch it, I highly recommend you go watch it. But I said a lot of people don't know about this yet because Senate and Congress, they don't want to alarm people because there's many people that still haven't received the third stimulus check. You don't want to make them panic talking about fourth stimulus check negotiations. And I said in my last video, if you haven't watched, I definitely recommend you go watch it. But to quickly summarize, that a potential fourth stimulus check is being negotiated and talked about in the House and the Senate by Republicans and Democrats, guys. And they're just waiting out. They're just waiting to tell the news source until everyone received the stimulus check. And it looks like, guys, according to Fox News and right here, CNBC, even as distribution of the third stimulus check is not yet complete, everything I said is 100% true, right? I can't go into detail who my source is exactly just because there might be repercussions for, leaking, all these rumors, everything that comes out true. But guys, over 25 rumors have all 100% come true. So you could listen to me. You could actually believe what I say. Put in the comments, I do. If you believe me or if you actually remember any one of my stimulus predictions, my leaks, guys, my rumor, if you remember any one of them actually coming true, just put in the comments, I do. I want to see how many people actually remember at least one of my predictions coming true. We will summarize both of these articles. We will go more in depth with them both. But I just want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know I post daily videos, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift card and free cryptocurrency. If you want to enter a free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Any comment will enter you in the giveaway, even an emoji. But you must hit that like and subscribe button. Just comment I do if you remember any one of my leaks, guys, any one of my rumors that my sources actually told me that have actually ended up coming true. There's been over 25 rumors or leaks, and all of them, guys, all of them came true. My source knows what they're talking about. But as we look right here, guys, a group of 10 Democrat senators released a letter, guys, a letter to President Joe Biden asking him to include additional stimulus money in the next stimulus bill, guys. If you don't know, the letter mentions reoccurring payments. Who said monthly stimulus checks? I made a video earlier talking about reoccurring stimulus checks as part of this new stimulus plan, and they said, we urge you to include reoccurring direct payments and automatic unemployment insurance, guys, meaning more money for people who are unemployed. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think this will 100% happen? Or on the contrary, do you think there's absolutely no way, there's no possible chance of this actually passing, legislation by passing the House and the Senate, guys? I'm genuinely curious to see what, majority of you guys think. Like I said, I read every single comment every single day. There's hundreds of comments across all my videos, and I read every single one. If I like and heart your comment, guys, I read it. But I personally, guys, I think it's very possible. I think it's definitely possible. But is it 100% confirmed? No. Nothing I'm saying is 100%, concrete evidence. None of this news is 100% backed out by any sources. But as you see right here, two very credible news sources, guys, Fox News and CNBC, they're all saying the same exact thing. More direct stimulus payments cannot be ruled out, and they're still being negotiated by both Democrats and Republicans. So please comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this is possible, or you think it's just BS? You think it's just something that's actually in the news but will never actually come to fruition? But at least we know one thing for sure, guys. At least they're negotiating. At least they're currently talking about it. They're in talks, right? The Democrats and Republicans are doing something now in the last 6 months that they haven't done in the last 12 months. Is they're actually coming together via phone calls, via text messages, Zoom calls, guys, and they're actually negotiating. They're actually talking with one another, working as a team, and that's what I like to see. Now, am I saying it's 100% going to happen? Absolutely not. It could still never come to fruition. It can never make it to legislation. It might get vetoed. But what I'm saying is right now it's definitely a possibility and it's not completely ruled out, and it might happen. On my channel, I keep you guys updated every single day. I post daily videos, on average 2 videos every single day, and in every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Please do me a favor, enter the giveaway, hit that like, be subscribed, comment. I've given over 1,100 people free Amazon gift cards, and I genuinely want to give away money, guys. I want to help as many people as possible. I want to be Mr. Beast 2.0, and if you want to support me, guys, hit this white join button. It literally costs 99 cents, less than $1. As a member, not only does all the money go to charity, but also it only costs 99 cents. You get a diamond next name that changes colors. You get members only custom emojis. You get members only live streams. You get members only community tab. You get exclusive content, pictures, polls, live streams, giveaways. I go live for hours. I give away 2, 5 Amazon gift cards every single month. I pick one person. I do a huge members only giveaway, all for 99 cents, and all the money goes to charity. Same thing with my Patreon. A lot of people said I prefer using Patreon. If you have $1, guys, please click the link in the description. It says Patreon. Click join. All the money goes to help someone else in need. And finally, I just want to let you guys know that I do have a clothing line brand. I do have a website. All the shirts are 100% cotton, guys. Very good material, very good print quality. All the money I make off these shirts, guys, actually go to charity. They go to a Goodwill, right? Half the money goes straight to a charity, and the other half gets used to keep doing these giveaways. So again, if you do have $19.99, I have a bunch of different designs, guys. I have stimulus, Joe Biden shirts. I have Average Tuber logo. I have Average Tuber text. I have a bunch of cool shirts, guys. All of them 100% cotton. All of them $19.99. All of them go to a good cause. So please hit that like, be subscribed, comment. Daily videos, daily giveaways. That's it for today, everyone. Have a great weekend. Peace.